Who are the set of people that will not attain or achieve this rank level where you can earn the 2 million naira gratitude bonus? Number one, anybody that is not interested in joining this platform, this moving train. Number two, those people that are not ready to sell any course, or they are not ready to sell the platform, or they are not ready to do anything. So number three, if you cannot sell the course and you cannot sell the platform, you can't sell the affiliate tickets, you can't refer a member to the platform, you can't tell people about this platform to come and learn or to come and buy from the platform, these are the set of people that will not benefit from the platform. So the commission, we have 30% direct commission. You get instant 30% whenever you make a sale. Either you are selling the platform or you are selling any course, you get instant 30%. And we have another indirect and network savings. 10% will be saved on the network, and another 10% will be shared among network ranking. So in essence, you are earning 50% directly or indirectly. There is what we call a passive income. Like for example, if you are on level 7, you are going to be earning 2.8%. Either you work or you don't work, from every activities of every team members on your team. It is projected that by the time you are hitting level 7, you will have a minimum of at least 2,000 team members under your team. And we projected that out of these 2,000, 10% will be working on daily basis. So out of 2,000, if 200 members are working daily, let's assume 200 people sold one affiliate ticket each, you are going to get 2.8% of the affiliate ticket. 2.8% of the affiliate ticket is 140 naira. That is a token. But now let's look at it. 140 naira times 200 in a day. That is 28,000 naira. It is a passive income, but you have to work it out. This is what we call people-oriented affiliate program. It's the first one in Nigeria, and anybody that is ready to rock this business is ready to rock money, but it is not for lazy people. Once you start your theme has no limit. Now the question that might be running on your mind is, are there demand for digital products nowadays? Yes, there are millions of people around that are looking for courses that will turn their lives around. The live wire of every online business is prospecting, marketing, traffic. Pull your traffic. Do not market multiple courses at a time. Look through all the courses and pick one that you can learn about, you can speak more about, and market it vigorously. Choose one that is convenient and sell it vigorously. You can just decide to be selling a Excel course alone, or you can be selling just the solar installation course, and over time people will get to know that this is what you sell. Now, how do you gauge your monthly earning? So let's assume you wish to be making 300,000 naira monthly. Let's say you choose to be selling, let's say for example, you choose to be selling the e-commerce course alone, and your commission, 30% of 35,000 naira for the e-commerce course is 10,500 naira. So let's do the calculation. How many would you sell to earn this 300,000 monthly? Now, if you master your game, 300,000, and for each one you sell, you will earn 10,000 plus. You need to sell around 28 to 30 every month, and you can divide that one into days. So if you need to sell 30 of e-commerce course every month to make 300,000, you only need to go out there and make sure and find a means to sell one per day. And if your own mindset is just to be earning 150 5,000 naira per month. All you need to have as your target is how to sell 15. That is how to make one sale in 2 days. Now, if you want to join this platform, I'm going to be giving you my coupon code. So I'm going to put my coupon code. You will see it right on the screen. So you just need to register with just 5,000 naira. And with this 5,000 naira registration, it is coming with free digital marketing course that will help you to succeed in your affiliate business. This digital marketing course will also help you to place adverts, Facebook adverts, and you can also use this digital marketing course in your personal business to do some other things. So for you to register under me, you need my coupon affiliate number and my referral link. I would also drop my WhatsApp number. You can send in your questions, and I hope these few explanations will help you to take a decision that will change your life positively, mentally, and most especially financially. Now to register, just go to the site www.adigitalpro.xyz. adigitalpro.xyz. Click on affiliate dashboard. Click on affiliate dashboard and click on register. Use this coupon number. Use this sponsor coupon number to complete your registration. I wish you success.